Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Docs app and jumping into the document now. Once done, navigate to the page you want removed. Use two-finger scroll or the page scrubber for faster movement. Make sure the keyboard is hidden so the content layout is stable. Tap the text area to reveal selection handles and the editing toolbar. This gets you immediate control. You need visible caret and selection tools to remove content cleanly, so confirm those appear before moving on. Now select everything on that page. Long press inside the text, then drag the selection handles to include all paragraphs, images, and spaces. Be thorough because invisible empty paragraphs keep the page. Once the content is highlighted, tap Delete or Backspace on your keyboard, or use Cut from the toolbar to remove it. If a manual delete doesn't collapse the page, inspect for a page break or an anchored image. Removing those elements forces the following text to shift up and eliminates the blank. Finish by reviewing the flow. Scroll before and after the removed page to confirm text reflows correctly, and use Undo immediately if spacing breaks. If you still see a blank page, there may be a page break or an anchored object. Tap near the gap, show the caret, then select and delete the page break or object. As a last resort, copy the document content minus the blank page into a new doc. This recreates clean pagination and resolves stubborn formatting issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.